Hello children, we are in lesson 1, our silent friends. In my last video, I explained to you the introduction part of this lesson. How plants are our silent friends or as best friends, and with the help of plants what we are getting like fruits, vegetables, food and all, and how it breathes, what it's breathing. It's breathing carbon dioxide and releasing fresh oxygen into the air. And with the help of this air, all the living things are surviving, right? And I asked you to visit a garden so that you can see a beautiful flowers over there. So, yes, plants makes the world beautiful, right? And today we are going to learn the parts of plants. Today we are going to learn the parts of plants. Let us start this bit. Plants have many parts. Big plants have thick woody stung. Big plants have woody, thick trunk. They are soft and lovely leaves. They are branches which bear different type of colors, flowers and fruits. All these are parts of tree. All these are parts of tree. What are the parts of tree? Like branches and beautiful flowers, colorful flowers, fruits, leaves. These all are parts of plants. And next bit, next passage, that part of the plant which remains under the soil is called the root. Under the soil, some part of the plant will be there, and that is called as root. The part of the plant which comes out of the soil is called stem or shoot. The stem is generally green or brown. Yes, as I know about you that you have seen this. The stem, generally it will be in brown color or green. And I believe you observe that it has rough skin. This stem carries the other parts of the plants. Many branches come to the stem. The branches supports the leaf. Here, this is very important point, children. The branches supports the leaf. The leaves are flat and green. Right? What is the color of leaf? Then you are ready with the answer, right? You'll directly say, easily you can say it is in green color. They are of different shapes and sizes, right? They are of different shapes and sizes. You can observe. There are many in number. There are many in number too. Can you count leaves? No, we can't. It's many in number. It's like an uncountable, we can say. A soft, silky and colorful part of the plant appears, that is called as flower. A soft, silky and colorful part appears at the end of the stem is called as what? Flower. The flower becomes dry, falls off, and a round fleshy part is seen. This is the fruit. It contains seeds. Seeds put into the garden ground. More such plants. So here what is happening? If you are in need of more plants, then you can take these seeds and you can sample it. In this picture you can see clearly, children, I am showing you the parts of root here. It's under the soil. So now let us come to the role of each part. Now we are going to understand the role of each part. After observing water and minerals from the soil, here roots plays very important role, children. Listen carefully. The roots send the minerals to the water into the stem. Got it? Minerals as well as water. They are sending where? They are sending to the stem. And what again it's helping? It helps the plant to get the supply of minerals required to the food or to make food. To make food. So with the help of this you got to know how sunlight, small roots and hairy thin roots, what is the role of these all things? What they are supplying? They are supplying minerals required to make food. So this is the role of a plant. Role of each plant we can say, children. And I believe you can view some of the underlined words. Work on that, read and write, and this page is visible to you all. Make perfect in reading. This will be a HW. Reading is very important, children, and I am giving you very less work to write. And our school is providing worksheets. Come and collect worksheets. If you are listening my class carefully, then only you can work on worksheets. If not, you will lag behind. So focus whenever I'm starting a class, as if you behave in classroom, in the same way you should be there. Whatever I'm asking you to do, follow those all things. Maintain notes. Whatever I'm asking you to do as an homework, reading part, writing part, these all things you should do, children.